Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing something else. So I'm gonna peel off the tape. Oh boy. Well, this is a little bit more difficult than I thought. There we go. Alright, now, if you've read the title, you know exactly what this is. Okay, it's a little bit heavier than I thought. Wow, this is giant, actually. Okay. Don't need that. The Mac Mini. If you didn't read the title, it's a Mac Mini. It's not exactly for me, but I will be using it. So if you guys have any questions, let me know and I'll try to answer them. Also, it's the M1 Mac Mini. If you weren't paying attention to the title at all, which I don't know why you wouldn't be paying attention to the title, if you clicked on this video, I'm trying to cut it with my fingernail, which is not doing the trick. May need to actually have some scissors. Okay, I am back and I have this. Now that I'm gonna open this up now. Try to get it open a little bit. There we go. Alright, now we can open it up. Oh, look at that. All that, whatever this is plastic or something. Don't need that. And there we go. Wow, that's a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a little bit smaller. Huh. Okay. Now, let's take it out. Whoa. And there it is. Wow. That's that's really nice. Okay, now let's peel off the, flip it over and take off this thing. Whoa. Wow. That's pretty cool. It's definitely a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a little bit smaller, but here, I'll give you a little comparison. Here's a water bottle, and here's the Mac Mini, and here's the size comparison. Okay, now let's peel off the tape back here, whatever protective thing. Of course, it doesn't make any noise. Oh, I probably shouldn't have done that. Oh, man. Perfect. Only has two USB-C ports, HDMI, and 2 USB. I mean, you could still get a bunch of adapters and stuff and then connect it and it's all good. If you guys want me to make another video on how this performs, then let me know in the comments below, but this was just a quick unboxing and it's really nice. So yeah, let's actually see what else comes in the box before we end off the video. So it comes with stuff in here, probably, yeah, it is an Apple sticker. I think it's just one. And then it comes with, of course, the power cord, and that's pretty nice cable. Take it out of the packaging real quick. Come on. There we go. It's not braided or anything, but it is still pretty nice. And yeah, that is the Mac Mini. Nothing else to do. I mean, I already unboxed it. Didn't take me very long. So yeah, that was the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye. So I wanted to do a quick comparison between this Mac Mini and a different Mac Mini, but at the time I didn't really want to do that, but I just decided to do it anyway. So this is the Mac Mini, M1 Mac Mini right here. And then right here, I got a 2009 Mac Mini. Now, if we put them side by side, we can clearly tell that this one's a lot bigger than this one. That's why I thought this one was giant, although that one has a lot more depth or height or whatever. Has a little bit sharper corners. These have more rounded corners. Anyway, bye.